Good day, guys. Welcome where maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to name the different types of angles. Make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it, guys. So before we start naming the angles, let's understand how angles are formed. Angles are formed when two rays meet at a point which is called the vertex. The first type of angle that I'll be explaining to you guys is what is called a right angle. And the measure of a right angle will always be exactly 90 degrees. The second type of angle is what is called an acute angle. And the measure of an acute angle will always be less than a right angle. The third type of angle is what is called an obtuse angle. Now, in an obtuse angle, the measure of an obtuse angle will be more than a right angle, but less than a straight angle. All right, guys? So that means that it will be more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. The fourth type of angle, which I'll be explaining to you guys, is what is called a straight angle. And in a straight angle, the amount of angles or the measure of angle will be exactly 180 degrees. Now let's solve some questions from what we have just learned. Now if you take a look at this, guys, in question number 1, what we have is exactly 90 degrees. Now if you remember, when an angle is exactly 90 degrees, we call them a right angle. Right, guys? Now in the next one, if you take a look at it, we have the angle as 45 degrees. And if you remember, when an angle is less than a right angle, it is called an acute angle. Right, guys? An acute angle. Now in question number 3, the angle is greater than a right angle, which is 120 degrees, and less than a straight angle. So when an angle is greater than a right angle and less than a straight angle, it is called obtuse angle. Right, guys? And finally, when an angle is straight and is exactly 180 degrees, we call it a straight angle. Alright, guys? And that is how you would name angles, knowing its measure of the angle. Now, if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time, guys, have a nice day.